go large. In the H corner then, between H and C, forwards to canter and just canter large. Keep going. Don't let it get too long. Hold it together. Put your legs on. Lift them up. Good girl. That's better. You've got to keep that up feel. Don't let his nose go lower. Keep using your legs to keep him up and bright. Up and bright. Up and bright. Up and bright. Keep going. Use the right leg. Keep him switched on. Good. Keep it up. Well done. Keep it going. Prepare for trot. And trot on. Legs on. Look up. Get into your trot, then check that diagonal, okay? Just make sure you get your balance and power first, and then you can glance down and check